In this tutorial, we will learn about some basic HTML tags with some examples. Don't worry, if we use tags, you have not learned about it. HTML documents. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. HTML, doctype HTML. The HTML document itself begins with starting HTML and ends with ending HTML. The visible part of the HTML document is between starting body and ending body tag. Let's take an example. HTML5. This is doctype HTML. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. Doctype HTML. The HTML document itself begins with HTML starting and HTML ending. This body tag, the visible part of the HTML documents is between starting body tag and ending body tag. Doctype declaration. The doctype declaration represents the document type and helps browsers to display web pages correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. The doctype declaration is not case sensitive. Let's learn about HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with H1 to H6. H1 to H6. H1 defines the most important headings and H6 defines the least important headings. Let's take some example. H1, world, hello world. H2, hello world. Control S, open with live server. This is heading 1 and this is heading 2. H3, H4, H5, and H6. Control S and let's see it. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Let's learn about paragraphs. Paragraphs are defined with p tag. Let's take some dummy text. Lorem 10. Control S and let's see it. This is paragraph. Let's learn about HTML links. HTML links. HTML links are defined with a tag. In starting HTML, attribute href, the link's destination is specified in the href attribute. Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. I just put here my website link. And give some text between a tag. Ctrl S and let's see it. HTML links. This is links. You can see it out. Click on this. It's denied. Let's copy my website link. Paste it out. Ctrl S. Click on it. This is my website. Let's learn HTML images. HTML images are defined with the img tag. HTML images img. This is single tag. The source file src defines the source file, alt defines the alternative tags. Source file img, Ctrl S,